What's up, guys? Vader FPV here, and today we're going to shoot a battery. You guys all know LiPos are unsafe. You've read about it. All this fancy stuff. But today, this pellet gun, and I'm going to shoot one of these LiPo batteries just to kind of show you guys the dangers that really come with operating with LiPo batteries and charging them and keeping them in a proper place. I'm gonna burn them here in my fire pit, clean the mess up afterwards. It's a beautiful day. I could be flying, but I've only got a whoop and it's really, really windy. I do have a plan tonight to go to a restaurant that'll be closed to do some indoor whooping. Let's get to it. The batteries I chose today I had two crappy, puffy LiPos, one 2S and one 3S. I believe one was 2200 milliamp, the 3S one, and the 2S was 1800 milliamp. We're gonna pop them, see what they do. That's what we got going on here. Let's get it to it. Let's do the 3S first. This one's pretty puffy. It was in a Pellet Bebop 2 GPS drone that I had. It's kind of hard to see because I got black tape on it. Not too exciting. And we're out of ammo. Alright, we are back. Let's get this sucker going. See if we can get some more action off this. Ooh, there we go, got something. This is why you don't fuck with LiPos. This is shooting a lot of smoke. There's no flame. There very well could be if you're charging it and it happens. I do know that that's very hot. The other bottom two might burn because they're going to get real hot with that other one burning on top of it, but who knows. But that got very hot. I'm going to get some more ammo in here, and I'm going to throw that 2S down there. Alright guys, we are back, and we now have fresh ammo, more batteries. I have a 2S in there now, along with, you can see the 3S is looking pretty shiny. Alright there, folks. Pretty gnarly. That's why you don't fuck with LiPos, guys. Alright, we got a fresh set of rounds in here and a fresh CO2 cartridge. Let's give this guy some pops. That one must already be dead. Alright guys, so, aw man, we're missing all the good stuff. I come in here to put my stuff away, and this guy's going crazy again. You think everything's cool, but something happens. Don't risk it, guys. Don't risk overcharging. Get a balanced charger, because as you can see, it's not worth it. So, I'm going to get in. Tonight you guys are going to see me do some Golden Corral freestyling. My wife's manager there. She's going to be closing the restaurant down tonight and letting me come in and do some whooping. So stay tuned. Check that out. Give me a like. Give me a follow or a subscribe. See you guys in the sky.